Well, folks, here it is. I was doing laundry and I just scooped up all the clothes and threw them in the washer, washed them after I got off the cruise ship, and I found this after the wash and couldn't figure out what all the fuzzy stuff was coming from. And here it is. No! It was my national park book. Destroyed. No! It even took off all the yellow markers that I had on there. Oh no! I'm so sad. I am not doing another book. No! How sad. It is so shredded. Look at that. Sadness. Shredded. Look at all my little stamps. I'm so sad. Well, the adventure's still going to continue. Next year or this year when I get ready to... No! Oh my God. It just destroyed the hell out of it. Oh my God. Well, yuck. I got little bits, pieces, parts. Sadness. But I will get the last 17 parks in. I may buy another passport book. But I'm so sad. All my stamps, the beautifulness. All I can say is, no, not again. See you till next time.